Here is how to create a Google Drive link. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a Google Drive link. So let's start. First of all, open the Google Drive app and log into your account. After that, when you go to files, you will see all the files and folders that you have added in Google Drive. Now in order to create a link of a particular file or folder, tap on the three dots on the right side of that particular file or folder. Then after you will find this copy link option. So as you can see, you don't have to create a Google Drive link for any particular file or folder. As soon as you upload that file on Google Drive, it will automatically create a link for you. So without entering a particular link or creating one, you can simply share it to anyone you like. But before sharing a link, make sure you have managed the access. For that, go to Manage Access. Under General Access, tap on Change. Now tap on the arrow-like icon and then choose the option that you want to set. If you want to share the link with anyone, tap on Anyone with the link. Then after, you can simply share the file or copy the link and send it to anyone. So to conclude, you don't have to manually create a Google Drive link. It will be created automatically. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.